Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. There will be build a React weather app using the OpenWeather API. This app will display the temperature, weather condition, wind speed, and humidity of any city. We will also learn how to use ChatGPT to help us write code faster. By the end of this video, you will understand API integration in React, learn how to use ChatGPT for coding help, build a fully functional weather app. Let's get started. So, the first steps are planning the project. So before writing any code, we need a plan. Let's ask ChatGPT. Now we open our ChatGPT here. Now you can see here we use how can I create a weather app in React using the OpenAI. Now you can see here we have a step to create weather app in React, and here we use get OpenWeather API. Here you can see we have here a sign up at OpenWeather and get a free key, and here is the second one, run the command to create a project, and here we install Axios for API. Now here we have a code. You can see here we have a app.js file, and now here we have a styling, and now you can see here we have a run your app command. So first of all, we setting up the React project. So first we create a new React app using this command. So we copy this code here and we open our Visual Studio Code here. I can see here is our Visual Studio Code. Now first we open our terminal. Now control plus tilde. I can see here is our terminal. Now here we paste that code npx create React app weather app. Now we enter. Now you can see it's installing a modules. Now you can see here is installed successfully. Now the next is we need to use this command cd weather app. Here we use this. Now you can see we inside our project. Now here you can see we have a weather app, and here we have a node modules. Here we have a public folder, and here we have a src folder. The next is we use npm start here. Now you can see here is our React app. Now then we install Axios to make API requests. So here we use like you can see here we use npm install Axios. Now we copy this. Here we paste this. Now it's installing. Now we create the weather component. So here we use a weather.js file. Copy this file name, and here is the src, and here we create a new like component. This is my folder, and inside the folder we create here a weather.js file. Now we copy this code. Now here we paste it. Now first of all we replace the API key. So first we go inside the weather app. Now we copy this URL. Now here we go inside the my API keys. Now here is my API key. So we copy this API key and use here. Now we updated the app.js file. Now we copy this code, and first of all we save this. Now here is my app.js. So here we replace this code. Now we save this, and the next step, now you can see here have some styling. So we add some css. So we copy this code, and inside the app.css here we use this line of code. Now we save this. Now here we start my app. Now npm start. Now we start. Here first of all we use here a component. Save this. Now you can see here we have a weather app, and here we enter a city like Mumbai, and we click on get weather button. Now you can see here we have a temperature, here we have a weather, and here we have a humidity, and here we have a wind speed. Now we use a Thane here instead of Mumbai. You can see here we have a Thane weather. Now you can see temperature, weather, humidity. Now we use here Mumbai. Please give me a Mumbrai's weather. Here we use like Bandra. Okay, so no city is there. Now we use a city like New York. Okay, now you can see here is a New York US temperature. Now here we use a London. You can see here is a London. So friends, you have built a fully functional React weather app using the OpenWeather API. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.